There's a new AGI benchmark created by ResearchGate and co-authored by Eric Schmidt, the ex-CEO of Google, rated GPT-5 at 57%. This is the first time researchers assign numerical scores to AGI progress. There's a popular theory in human psychology named Cattell-Horn-Carroll, or the CHV theory, coined after the last names of psychologists named Raymond Cattell, John Horn, and John Carroll. This is a psychological framework designed to understand human intelligence based on 10 different cognitive abilities. The ability to reason quantitatively, or visual processing, perception, or memory are just a few of those metrics. They compared ChatGPT-4 and ChatGPT-5 Auto. Note it's not the Pro version. They found out that the intelligence of the frontier models are jagged. They are stronger at some skills and weak at others, compared to the versatility and proficiency of a well-educated human across all 10 categories. For more topics like this, subscribe.